Rumpke Waste Recycling started back in 1932, so we're coming up on 100 years in business, and it's a family-owned company, third generation. It's actually grown to become one of the largest waste and recycling solutions providers in North America. Rumpke right now is continuing to grow as a company so that we can bring more services and more options, specifically more recycling options, to more people where they live, work, and play. So it was beneficial for us to work with the Ohio Air Quality Development Authority to expand the scope of our projects to maximize their positive impacts on the area. It opened up another finance vehicle for us and made capital readily available so that we could invest in our communities and bring these options. We're keeping jobs in the area at each location and contributing therefore to local spending and the overall environment.
The current projects, which is the construction of a few new facilities along the north side of Struble Road, will allow Rumpke to maintain their fleet, which goes out into various communities to haul the trash, to keep the transportation safe, more importantly, to keep the residents and customers safe, and to keep the drivers safe. I think having these buildings here adds a lot of value to the safety component of this organization.
One of the best things, I believe, is that it puts a facility here in the township for our residents to have access to basically 365 days a year. The way that the project's been developed, and been designed thoughtfully with respect to and not against the natural resources around the site, I think that that has a positive health and wellness impact as well. And I just think that, the job growth, the job creation, and the future development opportunity will have sustainable and long-lasting impacts to our community long after the end of my career and others.
These projects are part of a foundation of infrastructure that Rumpke needs as we look 5, 10, 20 years down the road. The business of waste management is actually very future intensive and very strategic. Trash never stops. And of course, none of it could have happened without support from the Rumpke family and the outreach and support that was provided through the Ohio Air Quality Development Authority.